feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Common reasons for false fire alarms include dust or dirt on the sensors, cooking smoke, steam from showers, or malfunctioning detectors. To minimize false alarms, regularly clean your detectors with a soft brush or vacuum. Ensure they are properly installed away from kitchens and bathrooms, and replace units that are over 10 years old. Schedule routine maintenance checks to ensure all systems are functioning correctly and comply with safety standards.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.